It's a bittersweet. Just knowing that we're all coming together is beautiful, but for the reason why we're coming together is obviously really heartbreaking.
Well, what made you feel like you just had to be a part of this tonight?
Because I care. I care about things going on outside of me. I think as an artist, it's my job to care. It's my job to inspire people. It's to motivate change within people, whether that's with my music and helping people get through things one song at a time. But I'm also a black queer woman, so I'm already a minority within society. So I already see the indifferences and the inequalities that loads of people face every day. So I care and I want to show up and be here.